Hey DIY decorators! Today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, I am making a set of colorful boho plates, and we're using Americana acrylics. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some boho plates. Dishwasher-safe decoupage is perfect for a project like this, and Americana acrylics come in a ton of different colors. So pick your favorites, and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.